Hi! In front of me is Lenovo tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that. Following that, you need to get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!